Hi, welcome to Legacy Ford Ponoka. My name is Dave Townsend, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2018 Ford Explorer Limited. With our current promotion on right now, which is Ford employee pricing, best time of year to buy, this vehicle is at $52,285, which is a steal of a deal. The color on this vehicle is cinnamon with some nice chrome accents and some nice wood accents as well on the inside. As we open up the door here, you'll see everything is nice black leather, 10-way power adjustable seats, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. We have a nice 8-inch LED screen for your navigation and for all your sync connects, so you have all your hands-free devices for your phones and everything else like that. We also have a terrain management system in this vehicle, which allows you to switch between snow, gravel, and everything else. In the back here, we got plenty of room for the kids or any other adult passengers. In the back, we also have heated seats with the connections for USB to be able to charge all your tablets while you're on the go, which is great because I know I have kids and they have tablets. In the back here is a great feature as well that we want to show you. If you come up to your car, you're full of groceries, all you gotta do is kick underneath the back, tailgate opens. How great is that? I know it's a feature I love and will use a lot. In the back here, you need some extra room. Press the power stow button on the back here. And the back row seats will fold down and go back so you get some extra cargo room. And that's some of the great features we have in this Explorer. Come in for a test drive today. At Legacy Ford, start your legacy with us.